Hello, I'm in a 2011 Ford Explorer, and today I'm going to show you to turn on and off your traction control. So with the vehicle powered on, look to the middle here and you should find this button. This is your traction control system off, so push this once to turn it off, push it again to turn it on. And you'll know it's off if on the dashboard display here you see this symbol. This indicates that the traction control is turned off right now. And then again, push this button again to turn it back on. So you'll see that that symbol is now gone. That means your traction control is turned on. You want it on most of the time. Situations you might turn it off is say you're towing something, or if you're on really rough road conditions like a lot of loose gravel, snow, ice, things like that. Sometimes say like if you're stuck in the mud, you might turn it off so the wheels are spinning a certain way so you can get out of the mud easier. But all that said, and if this symbol is not going away at all, even with you pushing that button, you might have some other repair that needs done, like maybe a bad sensor or something with your suspension system. So I would take like a code reader, a diagnostic tool, plug it in the OBD2 port, see if maybe that might lead you to a code that might help you determine what needs repaired. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.